Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, today we are going to discuss about option menu in Android. So what is option menu? Option menu is a pop-up menu. Okay, see, option menu is a pop-up menu. Our pop-up menu is always anchored to some item, right? This pop-up menu is anchored to our toolbar. So this pop-up menu name is option menu. This is always attached to our toolbar. It is going to display all items that is specific to our context of the activity. For example, we are displaying some data in this place with respect to the selected category here, right? At the point of time, option menu is important. Display all your categories here. Category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4 and category 5. Okay. Now with respect to selected category, if you want to show data in activity, option menu is useful. We can simply add all of our category in our option menu, and then when user selected one thing, and we can populate the data in our activity. See, item 2 is selected, item 5 is selected. That is why we have option menu concept in Android. Let's see how to create this kind of option menu in our Android application. Okay, go to our activity file. This is my activity. Inside my activity I have toolbar attached with it. Okay, as I told you before, our menu going to be attached always with the toolbar. Now our toolbar is ready. Let's create one menu, add that menu into toolbar. Okay, to create a menu, go to application, under app, go to resource file, under which go to menu folder. If you don't have a menu folder, create one menu folder under which create your menu items. See here, I have 5 menu items. Okay, this is menu, this is items. 5 menu items I have. Every item is going to have one ID, one icon and title, and by default every item is having this property. App shows icon equal to never. It means never add these items to toolbar. Instead, show all the items in pop-up menu. If you want to show this item into toolbar, give always. It means always show this item in our toolbar. See, our first item is now added to toolbar. But most of the time I will go with never option. Okay. Now our menu is ready. How to attach this menu with our toolbar? That is important. Go to our activity file. Inside that activity only if we have a toolbar, right? So go to activity and we have a toolbar in this place. What we have added, see, we are making this toolbar as a action bar for the activity. Now our activity toolbar is attached. Android itself have one function. This is overridden method. Okay, overridden method. By default, when Android activity is getting created, right, at the point of time, Android OS itself will make a call to this function to create a menu for toolbar. Okay, this menu. If we have given our menu in this place, it will take up that menu and add it to toolbar. Now we are using this menu. Okay, under our on create option menu, we are asking our activity to take up this menu. Which menu? R dot menu dot toolbar menu. Now your menu is attached. Whenever you are adding your menu in this place, right, your menu is attached to the toolbar. So which menu? This is the menu. This menu. Okay. Go to activity file. And whenever user selected some item, right, some category, we want click listener for that, so that from there we can execute some other code. For example, if user is selecting a category 1, with respect to that category 1 I wanted to show the data, right, in our activity. For that we need listener for that. So how to set the listener? This is option menu. So simply we can say on option menu item selected method is there. See, on option item selected method is already there. Whenever user is selecting that particular item or any of the item, okay, that particular item, whatever the item they have selected will get here, and then we are checking that ID, whether this ID is item 1 ID, execute this code, item 2 execute this code we are doing. Okay, for now we are setting a text label to have item 1. Whenever I am selecting item 1 in our text label, we are showing item 1 is selected. This is same for item 2, item 3, item 4 and item 5. Now let's see how our app is running, how it looks like, this option menu. Okay, And we have other name for option menu, that is action menu. Do not confuse, we have a two name for this. One is option menu, or otherwise we can say that as a action menu. See, our toolbar is there. Using this method we are attaching our menu into our toolbar. So this is now added into our toolbar, because every property set to never. Okay, by default it is never for other items, so all items are showing in pop-up. It is never added to toolbar directly. Okay, see, now when I tap on any of the item 3 is showing in the label, so listener is also working fine. This is how Android toolbar with option menu is working, friends. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video is useful for you. Let's meet in our next session.